Welcome to this review of SQL, a comprehensive chatbot solution tailored for businesses. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest user experience with SQL and taking a deep dive into its features, benefits, and limitations. SQL promises to be a powerful tool for automating customer interactions, enhancing customer service, and boosting sales. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. When you first log into SQL, you're greeted with an intuitive dashboard that is easy to navigate. The setup process is relatively straightforward. You can quickly configure your chatbot to suit your business needs. It's clear that SQL's main focus is on streamlining communication between businesses and their customers. You can set up automated workflows to handle customer inquiries, follow-ups, and more. One of the features that stood out to me is its ability to integrate seamlessly with various platforms, including websites, social media, and messaging apps. This is ideal for businesses that need to manage multiple channels in one place. However, while the integrations are extensive, I did notice that the process can be a bit cumbersome at times, especially for those unfamiliar with tech tools. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The chatbot's AI capabilities are impressive, as it can handle a wide range of customer queries. The responses feel natural, and it can even learn from past interactions to improve its performance. However, the AI still struggles with more complex or nuanced questions, and some users may find themselves needing to step in. Another highlight of SQL is its analytics dashboard. It provides valuable insights into how your chatbot is performing, including response rates, customer satisfaction, and conversion metrics. This can help businesses make informed decisions about how to improve their customer service and chatbot effectiveness. In terms of pricing, SQL offers a tiered model. The entry-level plan is affordable for small businesses, but larger enterprises will need to upgrade for access to advanced features. I found the pricing to be competitive, but it's worth noting that some additional features come at a premium cost. On the downside, I did encounter occasional glitches, such as slow response times and occasional delays in chat processing. While these were not frequent, they were noticeable, especially during peak usage times. Additionally, some users may find the interface slightly overwhelming when accessing more advanced features. Overall, SQL is a solid chatbot solution for businesses looking to automate their customer interactions and drive sales. It's user-friendly, integrates with various platforms, and provides useful analytics. However, there are some kinks to iron out, particularly in terms of complex query handling and occasional technical issues. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts on SQL in the comments below.